Hello everybody, this is a quick video on how to assemble the DIY 3D printer-less face shield. You will need some transparency film, the type that you write on. You will need a 3/4 inch plastic hanger strap. This is available from the Home Depot. 100-foot roll will cost you about $11 and will make about 40 or so face shields. You will need 5 plastic ties and some elastic headbands. As far as tools, you're going to need a hole punch, a pair of scissors, either a hobby knife or you can use the scissors to cut the plastic ties. I have a handy dandy tool for doing the same thing. Okay, so let's begin. All of the cuts that I make them on the holes. That is, when I cut right through the middle of the hole. This first cut you're going to make is for a template. This template is used to mark the holes where you are going to punch your holes in your plastic, and also where three of the 5 plastic ties are going to go through. For each face shield, you're going to cut out 2 strips containing 22 holes. That is, after you cut it, there are 22 holes on the inside here, and you're going to trim off the corners for comfort. Okay, to begin the assembly, you are going to count 4 holes. We're gonna call these the back and the front. So the front strap is the one that holds your plastic. The back strap is the one that goes against your forehead. We're going to count 4 holes on the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're going to line that up with the first hole of the front. And then from the second hole into the first, you're going to insert a plastic tie. Just like this. And you're going to make it so that the ratchet clip is towards the back there. Tension it nice and tight like that, and then either cut it off with your scissors, hobby knife, or handy dandy tool. Then from the other side you do the same thing, making sure that you're keeping the back strap to the back and the front strap to the front. You're going to go to the 4th hole on the back and the 1st hole, and then you're going to insert another plastic tie from the 2nd hole in the front strap to the 1st hole in the front strap. Again with the ratchet towards the back. Make the plastic tie nice and tight. Cut off. Now you're going to take your scissors and you're going to go to the last hole in the back strap. You're going to make a diagonal cut from the front towards the back into that hole, just like that. And you're going to repeat the same thing on the other side. This is going to be where we insert our elastic bands later to hold it onto our heads. Okay, so far you should have the 2 straps together, the edges cut, corners trimmed off. You can set this aside for the moment, and let's mark our paper, or our plastic rather. Pick either edge. Now, I'm not making this in any kind of clean environment, but I urge you that if anyone in your home is sick, or if you've been sick or have been tested positive for COVID, that you should not make these. Also, unless you actually have someone that needs these, I wouldn't encourage you to just go out in Home Depot and make a bunch of these when you don't have anyone to give them to, because it may shorten the supply for other people that may have someone ready to receive these face shields. Okay, and you don't have to punch these very precisely, but it's good to be close. Alright, so your face shield should look like that. And here's my template. Here's my template. Okay, so if we center the template on the face shield, does this look right to me? Not really. 1, 2. Alright, so from the plastic tie, you want to count 1, 2, 3. And in the third hole. Okay. So in the third hole and out the fourth hole. Right, so leave a gap of 2, insert, same thing from the other side, leave 2 holes, put it in the third, take it out the fourth hole, just like this. Those are anchor points for the face shield, and then the fifth one goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like that. Okay, now the head strap is ready to receive your face shield. I normally leave the paper for the transparency facing inward, just to keep that surface cleaner, since that's going to be going against someone's face later. Alright, and you can see the plastic tie just anchors that down so that we can pre-place the shield without full assembly yet, just so we can make sure our holes are in the right places and that kind of thing. Okay, and now the face shield is partially attached. All we have to do is zip up our ties. If you want a cleaner look, you can put the ratchets in from the back, but then it's quite a hassle to get this thing assembled. A lot of hand gymnastics going on. Alright, so once you've got those nice and tight, trim off the excess on the plastic ties. And we're almost there. All we need to do is attach 2 of these elastic bands. I think should be enough for most people, but if you need more, obviously you can put more on there. Just take those diagonal cuts, open them up, slide it, and just as a little added detail, I snip off a little bit of this sharp corner on that diagonal cut, so it ends up looking like that. And that's it. You have your face mask ready, and you're ready to make the next one.